Buddha way. Way guide them to pray. The second is let them to practice like you sit all night. And the third, tell them to enough, everything enough. The hungry all the time never stop. Like an ocean, never enough for the water from the sky. Yes, like a big tree, when the big wind coming, then have to some branch broken, sometimes tree fall down. When we have a lot of students, they will get trouble too. We have three kind of trouble, very big. The second is old, or the first is old. The second is sick. The third is die. This is all the problem come to the human. The human learn only two things. All the good things keep in the heart very strong. The thing is nothing not good. Don't hear, don't see, don't think. Not mean I teach you, I tell to everyone who hear this. You just open the way. Now the way we pray. Let them pray and to remove the bad karma. The third is important. Pray for yourself. The very short way like this slowly. If they believe like my student, whatever in Vietnam, in US, Vietnam, in UK, Vietnam, in Europe, everywhere, I talk only short words. They practice very strong, then they can receive very big profits. I need the paperwork. I will write a letter to my temple in Bodh Gaya. When you arrive there, they will give it letter, then they will invite you stay peaceful in the temple. You want to stay in the room or you want to stay under the tree? I plant a soap tree. That is mean the tree of never sad, the tree never suffer, never suffer. We call a soap tree. So when you coming back from India and we plan something, I don't know your schedule. The first, I think I will go back on 19. If I go back 19, I have no time to pack my small thing a lot to go back to America on 20. So I leave you today, but I contact the important people in Thailand already. Then he will contact in Myanmar. Then I will have some problem. I will call all of them to let me know, or cannot call me and can call Chase. So I want you to walking with peaceful, no worry about it. They give heart to you. They give heart to the Buddha. They give heart to the group. They do the best, but in Myanmar a little bit difficult. So I worry that now I finish my more worry. And one more thing is, when the monk gets sick, no need to go hurry. Take this, take rest until get well and better, then we move. My need, but the medicine already. Where is the medicine?
I give it already.
Okay,
then.
Let him take that. Stop. So
you tell story about the time you practice when in the forest when you still young.
no.
For them know about the history and
Kể về câu chuyện về lúc còn nhỏ của vị sư này.
When I'm small boy, 8 years old, I
Cần
hear the monk chanting.
muốn
Then I get the chanting translate very deep to my heart. And so I want to be a monk immediately. But my monk not allowed because I'm very small. Then when they allow me, then I go with the monk. Then the monk don't want me to be a monk because small. The temple up the mountain, walk up and down, very difficult. So the main of monk and main of novice, that means prayer and meditation. I offer my life to Buddha. Follow the way of Buddha. I know need nothing like you. You use the clothes like this, but I use clothes like this. That is in the heart, in the mind. Then I talked yesterday, we not worry someone talking about we are bad, they are good. No need to worry that. Good or bad is not you, not me, not them. The one who thinking bad, that bad thinking. The one talking bad, that talking bad, bad talking. The one who think bad, that is bad doing. So no need to worry everything. If Vietnamese people believe you or believe me, I already go to Vietnam to take them practice. You can ask from her. We start. If the leader in the temple admit about what they teaching, all the Buddhist people will go that way. If you walking like this, then you meditation like this, you open the mouth a little bit, they will follow you, then Vietnam will get peace. Many my students, Vietnamese people in US, very interesting about you. Many of Vietnam in Europe, my students, they hear about you, they very interested. They love three things from you. They love you, don't care about the food. They love you because of you not receive the money. They love you because of you practice very strong. Like me, I come with you one day. I love all the monk a lot. Then I'm very thankful to all of the boys who take care of. Without them, we difficult because of we don't know what to do. They know what to do. After I coming back from US, it may be you are in Myanmar, maybe I fly from US to Myanmar, then look your meditation there, and after that we find out the way to stop you in Bodh first. I tell all of you that very, very, very difficult to contact me. They call me, cannot receive, so that is nature, then you can contact all of them, then I will know that I will answer.
ขอบคุณครับคุณมาสาธุ
A
สาธุ
very important thing that is mean now like you open the Buddhist in Vietnam. The truth of Buddhist mean only three things: teaching and practicing and pray. If you start this, they follow you, they follow Buddhist. If you start it, they follow you, follow Buddhist, and they follow the peace. That means Vietnam will get peace because of Buddhist. So if we born one time, we cannot do nothing, then we turn the Buddha back to them. That is good for us. One day we have 24 hours. I donate time to all of Buddhist people. And, I coming back from India, I go to Vietnam. I coming back from Vietnam. Then I have some work. Then I come finish my work. I follow you. I tell to JC I want to see in Laos, but we cannot contact. We don't know the contact. 3 days ago, they say you are in Thailand. The one tell me her. So in Thailand is my country. I can contact everywhere. So I call to my niece.
เหมือน
Then
เจ้า
I
กาย
call to him. Then police report immediately. Yes, we know where he is. And morning time, I'm very happy until I forget to eat. Thank to you, forget to eat.
สาธุ
Then when I see the monk, I'm too much, very much love them.
สาธุสาธุ
So this is the history in Thailand. I think you remember, when we walk meditation from Vietnam to Laos, from Laos to Thai, then we see one small monk. I have chance to talk together here. I build many temple, I build many centers, so I have no time like this. Then when you go to Bhutan, then you contact to her. See, like an angel design everything for you. When you have problem in Myanmar, maybe someone solve your problem. In Thailand, it's Buddhist country, no problem. In India and Myanmar, then we have to have Namo.
นะโมอาเยดาฟัดสาธุสาธุสาธุ
If you don't mind, I talk a lot. Can I ask you 3-4 questions? Can you answer?
Yeah, không có gì. No problem. Yeah. We love to hear what you want.
I want to ask small question. How you want to be a monk?
Dạ, mình giải pháp đạt đến an lạc hạnh phúc. We wish to be in alignment, to be peaceful in mind.
So, how you think walk like this?
gần như với lại đạt đến cái hạnh phúc, đợi cho mình điถึงgiải thoát đến một giai đoạn thì mình vì mình nữa và mình vì người khác, mình vì mọi người thì phải chọn con mình này mình đến với Phật pháp vì để làm lợi cho mình, để lợi cho những tự năng.
First, he think that by working, he can train his patient, and in the time like this, he will find out the way, bring the happiness, peaceful for himself, and after that, he will bring that, share this for the people.
Very good.
Very good.
If someone talk, you are the monk or you are not a monk, and what do you think?
Khi tại đây mình không quan tâm, mình không biết, mình không nghĩ mình là một người sư, hay là mình không nghĩ mình là một người thầy, hay là mình gì đã, mình chỉ là nghĩ mình là một con người bình thường, mình thực hành đúng giới luật giáo pháp, để mình đặt niềm tin đem lại theo lời Phật dạy. Chỉ cần mình tin đây này, mình thực hành đúng, làm được là mình, còn lại những việc khác mình không quan tâm. Mình làm được thì sẽ cảm hóa được, mình không làm được thì sẽ không cảm hóa được.
He don't mind about that. He just thinking about that the way he practice, that inside that it can bring that peaceful or something like that for himself, and not care about if he a monk or not a monk, but inside he can training and he practice by himself, and he feel that he find the best way, follow the Buddha, the law Buddha way, and keep like the sila or something like that, follow the Buddha teaching. That's what he must focus and concentrate.
Okay, very good. You do very good thing. That is me called the Buddha son.
Yes.
You follow the Buddha way. If someone say you are play black magic, then what you think?
Dạ, người ta nghe con là chỉ một người tập học bình thường thôi, cho dù người ta nói mình là tà Phật hay là không phải tà Phật, hay là họ tên mình vẫn bình đẳng, mình không tới vì một pháp hành theo Đức Thế Tôn mà mình khởi tham, khởi sân với họ, hay là những trường hợp mà làm cho họ đau khổ hay mình đau khổ thì mình không thể bình đẳng. Cho dù họ không nói mình tà Phật, mình vẫn giúp cho họ được hạnh phúc, được tốt lành. Coi tập đến cái bình đẳng là xem kẻ thù của những người thân mình, như cha mình, người thầy mình, kẻ thù của mình là thầy mình để mình học, để mình nói những cái kẻ thù của mình tốt đẹp.
Actually, he don't mind about that. He just thinking about whatever the people love him or the people dislike him or the enemy or every people. He always feel in his eye, his mind, they are all the familiar, like a daddy, master, or a brother and sister. He never care about they love him or they hate him or whatever they talking about him. He just keep in peaceful inside and don't care about that.
Very good. So if we are practice not strong, we will get some story of the way I ask you. That is, I'm very, very happy to hear from you that we practice follow the way of Lord Buddha. Then no need to do nothing. We just do in ourselves. It's very happy already. No need to do something to someone. We practice very hard already. So that is good for you. Thank you very much. That is very important way.
Yes.
God bless you. Okay?
Con sẽ cố gắng học tập theo cái giáo lý của Đức Phật dạy, kiên trì nhìn cái giới luật với cái giáo pháp, không có sai phạm, tinh tấn tu hành để đem lại cái niềm tin cho mọi người, cho hạnh phúc. Để con rất cảm ơn là đường dài để cho
lùng dài
sự tốt đẹp.
lùng phô. Yeah.
Thank you.
He say that he promised with you he will try his best and he will practice very well. Try to bring very good to himself and sharing with all the people. Follow the Lord Buddha teaching. He will practice very well Sila, Sangha, and Panya. And whatever he will very happy because meeting with you and discuss with you about the Dhamma talk. He also very happy and we see the power from you. So we want to say thank you very much.
สาธุสาธุสาธุสาธุสาธุสาธุ
Before I go back, we take picture history together here.
Yeah.